I'm Sarah Borkson-Keeter with REIT.com here at REITWorld 2013 in San Francisco, speaking with John Chamberlain, President and CEO of American Assets Trust. Thank you for coming, John.
Thank you.
In the past, you've talked about how American Assets favors internal development over acquisitions. Can you give us an update on your development pipeline, particularly the Hassalo project?
We're finding that the returns for development projects are far in excess of acquisition returns. So we're putting a emphasis on internal development, both in Portland at the Hassalo project and San Diego. We have 3 projects underway down there as well. In Hassalo in Portland, we're very excited about that project. We're well underway now. We're on track, we're on budget. We are at the point of pouring footings for the project, which means we've actually excavated over 325,000 cubic yards of material. So if you can imagine a 4 city block project 50 feet deep, that's about what it looks like right now. We believe that that project will ultimately become one of the crown jewels, if not the crown jewel, of our portfolio. So we're very excited about it, and it's going to take a little while to complete it, but come summer of 2015, we'll be there.
Now, prime benefit of having a diversified portfolio is being able to withstand fluctuations in any one sector. As you look at 2014, are there any sectors you think will outperform, and are there any sectors you think might have a tougher road?
In the markets that we are concentrated in, coastal West Coast markets, Seattle, Portland, San Francisco, San Diego, the 3 categories that we're in are all outperforming, across the board. So in terms of which might be a tougher road or which might exceed our expectations, I expect all 3 will perform very well, and really not seeing a tapering in any one of those. I can't say that for real estate in general, but in the markets that we're in and the concentration that we keep ourselves to, we're expecting a very solid year.
And in the 2+ years since you went public, you've focused on core markets. Are you looking to geographically diversify?
Absolutely not. We believe our philosophy and strategy of sticking to probably what I think anyone would consider the most difficult markets to invest in or to develop in is going to pay off. It continues to pay off, and I think it's a long-term strategy that we are going to stick with. There are some other markets that we continue to look at, but it's still a West Coast strategy. So we continue to look at West LA, Santa Monica area. We continue to look at Santa Barbara, but we're not going to move east of the coastline by more than a few miles.
All right, thank you, John, for coming by.
Thank you.
And for more news and analysis on all things REIT, please visit REIT.com.